Unveiling secrets. The story behind Let the Cat Out of the Bag. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English idiom that you might have heard or even used yourself. Let the cat out of the bag. This phrase has a colorful history and a meaning that's very useful in everyday conversations. Stay tuned as we explore its origins, meaning, and how you can use it to enhance your English speaking skills. Let the cat out of the bag is an idiom that means to reveal a secret or disclose information that was supposed to be kept hidden. It's often used when someone accidentally or intentionally shares something that was not meant to be known by others. For example, if you were planning a surprise party for a friend and someone tells them about the party ahead of time, they have let the cat out of the bag. The phrase, let the cat out of the bag, has an interesting history, with several theories about its origins. One popular theory suggests that it comes from medieval markets, where people would buy pigs in bags. Dishonest sellers might try to trick buyers by putting a less valuable cat in the bag instead of a pig. If someone were to reveal the trick by letting the cat out of the bag, the secret scam would be exposed. This story, while colorful, is one of many theories, and the true origin remains a bit of a mystery. Now that you know what it means and where it might come from, let's talk about how to use let the cat out of the bag in conversation. This phrase is very versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings, though it tends to be more common in casual conversation. Example 1, informal. I accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. I felt so bad. Example 2, formal. During the meeting, it became apparent that someone had let the cat out of the bag about the upcoming merger. While let the cat out of the bag is a unique idiom, there are other phrases that convey similar meanings. For instance, spill the beans is another popular expression used to describe revealing a secret. Knowing these variations can help you understand different ways people might express the same idea in English. And that wraps up our exploration of let the cat out of the bag. We hope you found this video informative and entertaining. Remember, idioms like this one add color and depth to your language skills, making your English more native-like and expressive. Don't forget to practice using them in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video where we'll uncover more secrets of the English language.